Hello everyone, the second video about Citroen C6 and OBDstar 300 which don't change a mileage in Citroen. And I found all problems and fix it, can say so. The first problem was that man changed this dashboard. Why this car was showing mileage of another car. I mean, this car is have only 150,000 kilometers, but it was showing 300,000. And when I was programmed a mileage by OBDstar, it's have program for it after change battery or take out the minus or ground, can say. The mileage was the same like it was before, 300, and I decided to find a problem of old dashboard and found this have damaged. Here is 2 transistor. I take out this 2 transistor with this dashboard which was working and put this transistor for this dashboard which are in the car now, and turn on the ignition, and we see it's have 150 blah 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 kilometers. Then I go and disconnect battery and all is working. I don't know what a deal, maybe this video will be interesting for somebody. It's only means the BSI module and dashboard have some connection of this one mileage showing how many it's have kilometers. AGD service OBDstar 300 working, but only working on OAM dashboard. I don't know what is problem, but can say so. If it's dashboard original from this car, it works perfect. I changed it for last kilometers which was under the engine. It's some period ago was having some oil change. There was some card. It is, and put this back, and all is working. AGD service OBDstar working and not working. Be careful. Sometimes the problem is not on the tool. A problem with car, and the same can be problem with tool but not with the car. Very funny situation. Maybe somebody who do this often or much more many times, they know this problem, but for me it was first time situation. Usually I don't use this tools for correction speedometer because I don't like to change it, but this was like not to change from higher for smaller. It was only a reason to make the same mileage what it was before repairing. Sorry for my English, my basic language is Ukrainian, Russian and a little Polish. Sorry for my English, it's so. Respect, AGD service.